Hello everyone, I am Muskan Mittal and thanks for stopping here. In this video, we will going to talk about the most important question, which is what exactly a CA does. Yeah, exactly, that's the question. So basically, when we clear our chartered accountancy exams, we are told that we have two options if we want to do a job. Like either we can go for a big four or we can go in an industry. But what we as a fresher understands from being in an audit firm like big four firm is doing the auditing stuff, or if we are in an industry, then it means some monotonous job accountancy types. But no, I just want you guys to stop here because things are pretty much different. So we have divided this video into two parts. In the first part, we will give you a walkthrough around the finance department of an industry, and you'll yourself analyze what are the career options available for you in an industry. And in the second video, we will talk about the overall finance structure of a big four. Like what are the profiles that you can get in a big four and not just the auditing part. Now let's understand all the profiles available in an industry subject wise. The first major subject is accounting. So in accounting, the two profiles are being categorized. First one is general accounts and the other one is accounts payable. So accounts payable is nothing but the simple procure to pay procedure that accounts payable team takes care of, and general accounts covers all the other transactions like salary and other overheads, other expenses. Now the next subject is auditing. Every industry, every company has its own internal audit department. So for those who want to be in an industry and who loves auditing, have a scope in this department as well. The next subject is costing. So every company has its own costing team that defines the manufacturing cost or overall cost of a particular product and decides its price as well. So it is kind of more of analytical profile. Now in costing, we are also taught about budgeting and financial planning kind of things. So there is also a separate team of financial planning and budgeting, which is again an analytical profile. Then the next subject is strategic financial management, SFM, and other subjects like financial services and capital markets and risk management. So we have linked it with a profile of treasury. So treasury basically takes care of the fund that any company has and what to do with that fund. Basically investments part and hedging part. So these things are taken care by the treasury department. Then the next horrible subject is law. Law basically includes compliances part. So this is generally taken care by a company secretary, but we as a CA also have an option to pursue our careers in this field as well, where we have to see all the compliances. So this is pretty much wider in scope in a listed company rather than non-listed companies, as we know that the corporate governance part will be there in a listed company obviously. And also there is another team of investor relations that takes care of all the communications that happen between a company and investors. And then at last comes our favorite subjects, direct taxation and indirect taxation. So there are separate teams for direct tax and indirect tax. Initially I was of the opinion that taxation is kind of a monotonous thing, or it is not that much wider in scope, but eventually I realized that taxation is not that much boring as it looks in the books. So this is all about the major profile that are there in an industry. We might have missed some profiles. You can definitely mention in the comment box and we will add these profiles in this video. So stay tuned for our next video that will talk about the interesting career options available in Big Four. Hope you all would have liked the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.